Today's video is a very exciting one because it is going to be covering all the special items which we are going to showcase at the coverings this year in the Orlando, and we will going to have a wide varieties of floor and wall coverings materials from the marble look, wood look, then the porcelain mosaic, 2 cm porcelain pavers, then subway ceramic tiles, quartz slabs, SPC vinyl floor. But this is not about that product. This video is about something which we are going to launch exclusively this year, and we are going to launch it in a separate catalog, and it is going to be GALA collection and also the Atom collection. So what exactly is the GALA collection? GALA collection is the special products which is having special or a particular glaze or the surface application, and is available in only a particular formats and only available in particular colors. So for example, in GALA collection there are going to be a metallic series which is done using the application of a digital printing as well as the glaze of the metal. We are using the glaze of the Vidres and Torresid from Spain, and they have come up with a special metallic glaze which gives a very rusted out look of the metal, and that we are going to launch in different colors like aqua, in anthracite, in beige, in brown, in mint. Then the second new product which we are going to launch is the DUNE collection, and it is with a special natural stone surface. When you touch it, you feel it is like very similar to the natural stone which is used for outdoor application, but the same look you can get in a porcelain tile, and the body of the tile would be the same as the design of the tile, and it is going to be the color body. So it is going to be a more premium product. So if you are looking for some exclusive products, then it is going to be fulfilled by the DUNE collection in the natural stones. The new addition to our product line in the GALA collection is the new surface which we call the NEBULA surface. In NEBULA surface, the black is achieved in the level of the super black in the high gloss or the polished ones, but the same level of blackness is achieved in the matte with a special glaze which we call the NEBULA surface. And this is going to be in different designs. Also, if you have some custom requirement of your particular design which works for your market or with your customers, then we can discuss the possibility of developing those designs in the matte and the black glaze. So other than that, there is going to be a veranda collection which is for the outdoor porcelain paving. Up till this point, we were only having the outdoor paving solution in 2 cm or 20 mm. Which was quite extreme for some areas and some application. So this year we are going to launch the outdoor products in 12 mm, which has the amount of durability to withstand the outdoor application, but it will come in 3 sizes, that is 60 by 60 centimeter, 30 by 60 centimeter and 30 by 30 centimeter. So you can create the same pattern in patio pack or the French pattern, and you can create a very unique and new look for your garden area or outdoor application area. Other than that, there is going to be a special color collection which is like the colors which were not been able to achieve in the previous digital printing machine. Now it can be achieved with the latest technology. So we are having a dedicated series of different colors. There are going to be colors of mint, in polished. All of these special colors are going to be in polished or high gloss finish, and they are going to be in the colors of blue, in mint, in red, in aqua, and we have a dedicated collection for different colors. And for example, if a blue marble, exotic marble which cannot be achieved in a regular colors, then we use the special colors and we fire it at a particular level of kiln cycle and at the temperature which makes the original colors of the natural marbles, and that we are going to launch in this special color collection. Also, there is going to be a 3D cowed with decor collection. So there is going to be multiple options of 3D cowed in the regular marbles, in a regular cement look, in terrazzo look in our master collection. But in this collection, there is going to be those base tile along with a decor tile, and the decor tile would be in the biophilic look or in the geometric look or in Moroccan look, even some of the stone look and the abstract or modern look. So that is going to be in the 3D cowed in the GALA collection. So all of these products are in GALA collection, and those are going to be either 30 by 60, 60 by 60 or 60 by 120 sizes, or some of them are also in 80 by 80 sizes. But other than that, we are going to launch one more new catalog, which we call the Atom Collection. So Atom Collection is the smaller format sizes in glazed porcelain. Up till this point, we were only supplying and producing the glazed ceramic tile in a subway series, which was like 3x12, 4x12 in inches, 8x8, 4x8, 4x16. But none of those sizes. We also had a picket in subway series, but we didn't had any glazed porcelain series in smaller size. But this year we are going to launch an entirely new collection, an entirely new product line, which covers the 8x8. This is an example of an 8x8 tile in glazed porcelain in pressed. So that is going to be a new launch for us. There is also going to be a hexagon tile in pressed in porcelain and in 10 inches sizes. So that is a new product for us. Many of our collection from the master collection, such as our Satwario design or Carrara design, some of the geometric prints, some of the terrazzos, those designs are going to be also available in 8x8 in pressed porcelain, also in 10-inch hex in pressed porcelain, and we are going to launch that in the Atom collection. Other than that, there is also going to be 3x12 in glazed porcelain and 6x12 in glazed porcelain. We have a special series for the swimming pool, and it is going to be with the punch. In 8x8, for example, like there is going to be a 16 small mosaic print along with the punch, which gives a look of 2x2 tile or a 2x2 mosaic. So those are the two collections, GALA collection and Atom collection. If you are interested and you want to learn more about those products, you can check out our website. Also, if you need a copy of PDF, you can go to our download catalog section in the website, and we will put a link to that as well in the description below. Thank you for watching our video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.